This is the best view I can get you. Yeah, stuck. Yay! Truck's out. Let's see if he tore up the yard anymore, which he probably did. Well, if you didn't guess by the truck being stuck in the middle of the yard, body kit's here. Give you a hint, that's the front fender, or well, the intact front fender. There won't be much left of it when we're done with it because we can't use the majority of the front fender, or well, we don't want to. Overall quality, like starting out, like this is pretty good. Like even, I don't know how this would actually fit on the car it's supposed to. Because after all, this is for an S14. God, that's some gnarly made fiberglass. Trust that though. So if you haven't guessed, it's the S14 Boss kit. No, it's not Rocket Bunny, it's a replica. There was no way, we talked about it, there was no way we're spending like $3 grand on a body kit, $4 grand on a body kit, to completely demolish it. To completely section it up, to redo all kinds of shit to it, and demolish it in who knows what way. The hood, I don't think actually we required that much manipulation. Front bumper, we don't know yet. It's one of those things that we're going to have to get these fenders fitted nicely, chop the fronts off of them, and then get the bumper up there, then add metal back to get the exact shape of the other fender, because we're going to shape that out of metal, and then weld that onto it. So I don't think it'll be too bad. It's going to be crappy. I mean, I'll give it that. It is going to suck, but I think it'll be fun. It's something challenging. I've never done this. She's never done this. So it's something that it's going to be fun jumping into. We assumed that the hood was going to be full pinned. What I mean by that is 4 locking pins will hold the hood on. That way, you know, we're going to have a lot of stuff going on underneath this hood. That way we can just unbolt, lift and get, and just have it completely out of the way. And it looks pretty cool when you go out to a place and you have a roof sitting on top of your car. Because we won't have the hood latch. Any of the other stuff's going to be cut out of it too. Same goes for that front end. A lot of that bullshit right there may be chopped out. Will most likely be chopped out actually, because we're going to build the supports. Let me grab it. We're going to actually build all the bumper supports up in here, up through here, hidden in the back. Obviously we can't see them, but there's spots where you can see where it's supposed to probably drill into the factory S14 stuff. But that's what we plan on doing with that. You got to remember, tube front end doesn't matter. Yeah. Actually, my best guess obviously has the 2 bolts, so you can adjust it up and down. That's okay. But I'm thinking this is just one of those cheapy standard with random stuff falling out of it, because it's really, that's interesting. I mean, it is just a generic little 7-inch headlight thing you stuffed into a little bucket, but it's, oh yeah, that is. Yeah, it's just one of those generic ones with the, I guess, turn signals in it. Driving lights, whatever they happen to be. I think these are driving lights. Maybe both? It's 3-wire. Oh, low and high. Yeah, those are driving lights. Maybe turn signal. Shit, I don't know. We'd have to power them and see. We're not using these. So, we don't know what we're using yet, but whatever we use, we'll probably have to pop this. Oh yeah, it pops right off, look. It's got little ring tabs inside of it that hold the actual headlight into this housing. So we'll be able to pop this headlight out and put in whatever headlight we want to put. God, I didn't feel that. Look how thick that is. Yeah. I mean, that's pretty cool. Like, I've seen decent fiberglass body kits, and I've seen... losing more stuff?
Sure.
And I've seen body kits that were made really shitty. This is somewhere in between, actually. It's not 100% rigid. I mean, this is kind of a weird part, but it's decent. But what I like about it is all these edges right here, like this edge right here, is like 1/4 inch thick. Same goes for the hood. The way they molded that hood together, I've never seen a hood actually done that nicely. Nope, I'm not trying to yank on it. See, I don't want to break those. Those will go into the bumpers some freaking how. Side skirts, may or may not even run them. We don't know what we're going to do with the side skirts yet. No biggie. But as for the front, I think it looks freaking slick. Right now it looks a bit like a Challenger, or a lot like a Challenger. That's where our customizing in the front grille is going to come in. I like the dual openings in the lower part where it has 2 on each side. I really like that. I'm not so keen on the middle one. We may open up the middle one. This one right here.
Yeah.
Basically the middle grill. We may open that up to one piece, but I like the 2 bottoms single pieces. It goes good with it looks really good with the fog lights. But as for that center section, we'll probably end up opening that up. Same with the grill. We're gonna the bulges that pop out. These bulges right here, those are going to go bye-bye. The grill will be smoothed out, and this whole center section will be chopped out. The issue is that the cool, meshy, plasticky grill is not one piece. So, which is no big deal. We talked about making our own molds for this and pressing our own grills to get them to look the way we want them to. We're not quite 100% sure on how we're going to design everything. It's one of those, we've been drawing pictures, doing renders, picking the exact colors we want everything. It's one of those, you're talking months down the road. First objective actually from this point is you guys need to jump over, if you're watching this for the first time, and check out all the past stuff. You don't have to check it all out, obviously, because our show really isn't made for YouTube. It's not. It's not an action-packed series. It's literally every single thing that goes into building one of these cars. Every single problem I run into, I tell you all about. Every single mess up, I've made sure to put on camera. I'm not hiding when she messes up, like when she put too much filler on the side. I didn't hide that. When I screwed up and thought the roof was level and it wasn't, or all the welding disasters I've had in the past 2 months, I'm not hiding any of that. And that's, I think, why this, for me, this series is fun. Either way, we're going to be building this car. So we decided we'll just put it on YouTube. Should be fun. And then we got the bright idea, we're going to do the S13 front end conversion. That's $2 grand. We got a good deal on this kit. Got the bright idea to do it. Shit.
Yes, you did.
No, that was in a different take. Oh well. This is going to be a really weird episode because this is our first time doing a special episode, and I apologize if it's kind of all over the place because we don't know what the hell we're doing. We're just kind of winging it because we're really excited, and we want to take our new dog in to go play. So, because he's crashed out on bubble wrap right now. He's had a really long day. I brought him home for the first time today, and he's He's doing really well, but he wants to hide out in my room. He wants to just sleep on me or sleep on her, or play with the tennis ball. That seems to be a thing. So, thank you all for watching. We're extremely excited to build a S13 Boss, I guess. But it's not going to be really a Boss because we're going to kind of make it look in between a Camaro and a Challenger, not just a Challenger.
I don't know.
Even though the Boss, wasn't the Boss 302 from a Mustang? Yeah, Mustang Boss. But this doesn't look like a Mustang, it looks like a Challenger.
I think I'll have to go look.
No, I'm pretty sure I'm 100% on that one. Maybe it was lost in translation because the guy that named it, like the Boss kit, I think was Japanese. He was the guy that designed it. I can't remember his name. And again, flame us all you want for not supporting the original creator of the kit. Because again, I support knockoffs under certain circumstances. I support knockoffs, and this is one of them. I'm not spending $4 grand on a kit to absolutely demolish the kit. You can get these on eBay. They start at like $2,000, I think. But we got a good deal through NRG Motor Trend. Yeah. Motor Trend. Not motoring. Not like the seat and steering wheel company. They shipped it out quick. They did the billing quick. And it got here a day early, technically. They tried to get it here yesterday, but we've had torrential monsoons up north, and now they're down here, and that's why the guy got stuck. If he would have delivered it yesterday, he would have had a perfectly fine time getting in and out. But we've had like 6 inches of rain alone today, so stay tuned for all the episodes that are going to flood forward. At first, there won't be much in the body kit. Probably rear fender starting out, and that's it. And then we will move on to, we got to get the cage in the car, we got to get the front end chopped off, we got to get all the other stuff. And then the kit will start coming together on the car. Yeah. So thank you all for watching. Stay tuned for way more fun when it comes to the S13 Boss. We're going to have to come up with our own name, I think.
Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school.